The factory settings we mentioned are that we will give a parameter information after our flight test and debugging. It's not that you need to restore the factory settings when you get the remote control. In this case, many of our settings have been cleared. Let's talk about it now. If you accidentally restore the factory settings, what should we do? First, restore the factory settings and then turn it off. It allows you to choose your language again. If you are an English user, then you choose English, click confirm. Okay, now the English version is selected. It will just leave the factory after restoring the factory set remote control. So our next step is to go to the menu, find hours, channel mapping, then reconfigure our channel arbitrarily. Let's see it again in our secondary menu. Enter, and then select the fourth channel, setting channel mapping. Then we can choose our 5 channels. Select via 6 channels. We click to confirm, then make a selection, change to via. Then 7 channels is SWC. We don't have to worry about it. Keep it up. Channel 8, we want change to SW. We need to change the non-channel to S. We want to change the 10 channels to S. Okay, let's take another look. We have to choose the 5 channels as 6 channels are selected as VI. 7 channels keep the default SWC. Change the 8 channels to SWB. 9 channels are changed to change the 10 channels to S. Then we click OK to exit. We can go in and take another look. Varvara VRB subvalues SDB schwa SW dot. Okay. Confirm that there is no problem. At this point, our remote control is set. And then we can look at our knob parameters. Mainly, one of our channels, 2 channel, 5 channel, and 6 channel. The values of these 4 channels. We'll record it on our back cover after flight commissioning. You can modify it according to the data on the back cover. Turn our knob. Turn the knob. Then the value of a channel is obtained by pressing this button. To change the value of a channel, the value of the second channel is just by pressing this. The value of the 5 or 6 channels can be adjusted by adjusting these 2 knobs. Okay, our remote control setting is basically like this.